The 2025 CFMoto 450NK joins the middleweight naked bike category, offering a compelling blend of aesthetics, performance, and sophisticated amenities at a competitive price. Equipped with a 450 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine producing 50 horsepower, CFMoto asserts that the 450NK offers seamless power, making it suitable for riders desiring a versatile motorbike adept at navigating urban roads, interstate travel, and weekend curves. The 270-degree crankshaft and balance shafts mitigate vibrations across the RPM range, ensuring a smooth and polished ride. This engine is augmented by a slipper clutch, which improves control, particularly in extreme riding scenarios, by minimizing wheel hop during downshifts. The 450NK's naked bike design highlights its robust structure, including an exposed engine and angular lines that produce a visually arresting silhouette. LED headlights, taillights, and turn signals improve visibility and safety, providing clarity on the road and efficiently communicating intentions. Ultimately, J.Juan brakes, a 320mm front disc and a 220mm rear disc, combined with dual-channel ABS, deliver dependable stopping power, ensuring riders experience controlled deceleration in all circumstances. The 450NK is equipped with a 5-inch TFT display that incorporates modern technology, including Bluetooth connections and CFMoto's Ride Sync system, facilitating seamless integration with mobile devices and GPS. The 2025 CFMoto 450NK achieves a harmonious blend of utility and enjoyment, providing exceptional value within the middleweight naked bike segment. The 449 cubic centimeters parallel twin equipped with Bosch EFI generates 50 horsepower at 9,500 RPM and 28.8 lb-ft of torque, delivering an exceptional power-to-weight ratio. The novel design features a 270 degrees crankshaft angle. Precision-engineered balance shafts efficiently mitigate vibrations, guaranteeing smooth performance across the RPM range. Thin film transistor technology, TFT, is a characteristic anticipated in a premium motorcycle. This casing presents a vivid 5-inch TFT multifunction display equipped with Bluetooth and CFMoto Ride Sync connectivity. Over-the-air (OTA) technology allows your motorcycle's features and software to get upgrades remotely. The aesthetic attraction of naked bike design attracts a diverse array of riders. The visible engine links the rider to the fundamental mechanics of the apparatus. The sleek contours and modern form exemplify avant-garde aesthetics while showcasing CFMoto's excellence prominently. Premium LED illumination establishes the benchmark for visibility and safety. High-intensity LED headlights emit a sharp and concentrated beam, illuminating the darkest areas. LED taillights augment visual appeal while ensuring visibility to trailing vehicles. LED turn signals offer a clear and precise indication of your turns and lane changes, rendering your presence and intentions unequivocally evident.